Good morning dear student. So today we are starting basics of bakery. We are starting the practical of 6th semester and in that we are preparing today Genoese sponge. Genoese is basically originated from Italy, a city from Geneva, and it is very light and airy sponge. This sponge is used for making different varieties of cake. We can fill strawberry, pineapple, chocolate after making the sponge. The ingredients which are required for making Genoese sponge are refined flour, corn flour, egg, vanilla essence and butter. So I will show you the method of making Genoese sponge. So student, here are the ingredients which are required for making Genoese sponge. We have taken the 5 eggs, 125 gram of castor sugar, 25 gram corn flour, 90 gram of refined flour, 20 gram of butter, we will melt it, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. We can use corn starch, corn flour, or we can use potato starch. Both can be used for making Genoese. It will prevent the baking time of Genoese. So I will show you the method of preparing. The first thing which we will do, we will break the eggs and add castor sugar into that, and we will mix it together at above the double boiler. So we have break the egg into the bowl. The 5 egg we have taken, and now we are adding 125 gram of sugar into it. We will take it above the double boiler at 30 degrees Celsius, and then we will mix it until the sugar properly mixed to the. Here we have taken the double boiler, and now we are going to mix it. Here you can see castor sugar which we have added, it must be mixed with egg, and then we will whisk it into plenty mixture. Everything should be kneaded at room temperature. So we have taken the double boiler, and when the temperature will increase, the sugar will mix or melt with the egg. So here we have poured the mixture of egg and sugar into plenty mixture, and now we will beat it, whisk it at high speed. So during the beating process, now we are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence into the egg and sugar mixture, and we will start again at high speed. So student, here you can see the mixture of egg and sugar has been beaten properly with the help of plenty mixture. You can see this is the beaten egg and sugar mixture. Now we will fold the refined flour and corn flour into it, which we have strained earlier, and we will add 20 gram of melted butter into it during the folding process. Now we will add refined flour and corn flour into it gently. Fold it. Now we are going to add 20 gram of melted butter, which will provide balance. So here the mixture of egg, sugar, refined flour, corn flour, vanilla essence and butter are mixed together, beaten together, and now we are pouring it into a cake tin. Then we will bake it. Now we have placed the mixture of Genoise sponge into cake tin and we are going to place it inside the oven. We will bake it for 25 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius temperature. So here we have preheated the oven and now we are going to place it in the oven. You can see, and the time is set at 25 minutes and the temperature is at 160 degrees Celsius. Here we will start it. So after 25 minutes we have taken it out from the oven and now here you can see our Genoise sponge is baked properly. We will cool it down for another 20 to 25 minutes, then we will see it how it looks. So here is the complete Genoise sponge in front of you. You can see it is bouncing back. This is the quality of sponge. It should be bounced back. You can see. Thank you very much.